Stay safe, happy learning. Say no to theft of electricity for the first time every time. In the trailing short video from this channel, we discussed briefly about active and passive circuit elements. With a little more description, in this video we intend to learn passive components and active components of the circuits. All electrical circuits are consist of some basic elements. Some are passive components and some are active components. So what is the difference? While comparing these two circuits, the passive components are resistors, capacitors, inductors, transformers, cables, etc. Active components are diodes, transistors, field effect transistors, thyristors, integrated circuits, thyratron, etc. Passive circuit components are incapable of amplification but can attenuate signals, while active circuit elements are capable of amplification, be it current amplification, be it voltage amplification, or be it power amplification. In passive circuits, there is no need of external power supply. Amplification needs an external power supply. Let us discuss this with a more description. Active circuit components do not need external power supply. Here is an RL circuit. Here this sinusoidal voltage source is connected with this circuit. Sorry, this is inductive circuit. Current I is flowing, inductive CL. So no external power is needed for passive components. But amplification needs external power circuit. Here is an amplification circuit. This is a speaker which needs amplification of small signal. Here is signal input, and this needs this external power supply. This is 9-volt source for amplification. Passive circuit components can store energy, and active circuit components can provide gains. Passive circuit elements cannot provide gain, but active circuit can deliver power or energy to the circuit. Now let us discuss it in a more detail. It can store energy. See, here is an RL circuit. What can happen with this? It is connected with a voltage source. So what can happen to energy sent from this voltage source? It can either dissipate completely. That means it does not reach the destination. Next, it can store energy in kinetic form. That is in inductance. If this is L, this is I, the energy is half Li square. Had it been a capacitor, it would have been half CV square, where C is the capacitance in farad and V is the voltage of the circuit. So either it can dissipate completely and does not reach the destination, or it can store energy in the kinetic form, or it can store energy in the potential form. Capacitors stores energy in potential form. It is potential energy. Now what happens to this this is inductance. What happens if the current is flown through this pure inductive circuit? The current, see here, voltage starts from zero line, but current lags the voltage, and from here to here it stores energy, and from maximum to this, from this point to this point it stores energy, and from here to here it releases energy. Again, from this point to this point it stores energy, and from this point to this point it releases energy. Same thing happens with the capacitance. For half circle it stores energy, and for another half circle it releases energy. So no need of external power supply in passive component, and it can store energy. Passive components cannot provide gain. Active components can provide gain. Passive components utilize power and energy in the circuit. Active components deliver power or energy to the circuit. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay safe. Please check your subscription so that you don't miss next video from this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.